If you are looking for a hotel to stay in Taichung, Taiwan, I highly recommend checking out the hotel where we stayed, the Shin Sei Bashi Hotel, also known as SSB Hotel. This hotel is just a few minutes walk from the Taichung Railway Station and very close to major bus stops. It is also located right across the famous Miyahara. I would say the location is very convenient, peaceful, and may bonus ka pang magandang view. When we were in Taiwan, we decided to stay in Taichung instead of doing a day trip. Aside from nakakapagod ang bay trip, hindi mo talaga ma-enjoy ang city if you only stay for a few hours. That is why we looked for a hotel located in the heart of Taichung, and that is how we found Shin Sei Bashi Hotel. From Taichung Railway Station, it is around 5 to 10 minutes walk, depending on your pace. Same if you are going here by bus, which is what we did. Walking is very convenient since the roads are flat and pedestrian-friendly. Hindi ka mahihirapan even if may dala kang luggage. While walking, madadaanan mo mismo yung Miyahara, which is one of the most iconic spots in Taichung, known for its ice cream, chocolates, and Harry Potter-style interior. You will also pass by the Liuchuan Riverside Walk, also known as Liuchuan Canal. Para siyang mini canal park, and it is very beautiful, especially at night when the lights are on. Once you reach the bridge near the canal, mapapansin mo agad yung Shin Sei Bashi Hotel because of its unique exterior design. We stayed here for 3 days and 2 nights. The entrance is located on the right side of the building near T-Top Milk Tea Shop. Take note, the reception or lobby is not on the ground floor. You need to go up to the second floor. Since wala ka pang keycard upon arrival, you need to press the buzzer so they can open the glass door for you. The elevator is quite small. It can fit around 3 to 4 people, but if may luggage, around 2 to 3, comfortably. Once you reach the second floor, makikita mo agad yung reception area. We booked through Klook, so check-in was smooth and mabilis lang. On the same floor, meron silang common area where you can relax or tambay. They offer free coffee, tea, and ice. There is also a microwave where you can reheat your food. If you are collecting travel stamps, meron din silang stamp pad available. After check-in, we were given 2 key cards and we headed to our room. They only have 1 elevator, but during our stay, we did not experience any long waiting time. Siguro because the hotel is relatively small. Our room was on the 6th floor, room 6007. Based on observation, there are only a few rooms per floor, which makes the place quiet and less crowded. We booked a deluxe double room with 1 king bed and city view. Please note that this booking does not include breakfast, which is common for many hotels in Taiwan. The room size is around 15 square meters, so it is compact but functional. As you enter the room, mapapansin mo agad na the sink is located outside the toilet. This setup is actually common in modern hotels, although medyo unusual at first. Also, take note that most hotels in Taiwan, including this one, do not provide disposable toiletries like toothbrush and toothpaste, so make sure to bring your own. Behind the door, there is an open cabinet where you can hang your clothes. They only provide a few hangers, but you may request more if needed. Inside the room, you will see the king-size bed. There is no headboard, but there are power sockets on both sides, so you can easily charge your phone kahit saang side ka matulog. You will also notice the Sakura-inspired design, which gives the room a Japanese-style aesthetic. Beside the bed is the shower and toilet area with a sliding door. At first, we were a bit concerned that water might leak outside while showering, but during our stay, hindi naman nangyari. The bathroom door is well sealed, so no issues with water spilling outside. The bathroom is small but functional. It includes hot and cold shower, towels, and complimentary body wash and shampoo. However, there is no bidet, which is also common in Taiwan. If you have been watching my vlogs, you know that I always look for rooms with a window or a view, and this one did not disappoint. From the window, you can see Miyahara across the street and the Liuchuan Canal. At night, the canal lights up and the view becomes even more relaxing and beautiful. The room also includes a large TV, although we did not get the chance to use it. They provide 2 complimentary bottled water as well as coffee and tea, and these are replenished daily. There is also a small refrigerator where you can store your food or drinks. Wi-Fi is fast and reliable, and there are power outlets near the bed and table, which is very convenient. For your reference, check-in time is from 3 p.m. to 11 p.m. and check-out time is 11 a.m. If you arrive late, they also offer self-check-in instructions. After a long day of exploring, we usually spend some time at the common area to relax, drink coffee or tea before heading back to our room to rest. And that's our stay at Shin Sei Bashi Hotel in Taichung. If you are looking for a hotel that is affordable, convenient, and located near top attractions, this is definitely a good option. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to see more of the places we've been to.